Hey, hello folks. Good afternoon. We're here in beautiful Granville, New York at the Slate Valley Museum. Again, celebrating the 20th anniversary of the NSA, National Slate Association. And we're here with past president and all-around great guy, Brian Chalsma, the president and CEO, I think, too, of the roofing company from Virginia. You're in
Hampton, Virginia.
Hampton. I know you're near the roads and all. Done a lot of great projects with you. Brian and I go back quite a ways. We've worked a lot of different projects, a lot of different times, been in a lot of different places together. So first off, how's the family?
Everybody's good. Boy, just everything's going so well. And you know, your weather's been great. The colors are phenomenal up here. You know, we left Virginia, it was still green, and now we've got all this wonderful color.
Yep,
So, you know, what's neat, this is the 20th anniversary, like you said, of the NSA. And we've been up here since Tuesday working with the NRCA and the NSA, so the National Roofing Contractors Association and the National Slate Association. And as we all know, labor's been such a big deal.
Certainly.
And we have spent a lot of time to get more programs that are going to be able to provide a career track for young people to go from a high school and go right into a roofing career.
Right.
And our focus, of course, is slate. And not only slate on the roof, but slate on the wall, so slate cladding, slate roofing. And you've developed several ideas and methods to do installation, not just the traditional nailed installation, but some of the hook systems.
Right. We've been working with different companies and different patents and different people, so and along with it, and kind of in lockstep, I like to think, with the NSA, the SRCA, and now what you guys are doing with the NRCA, this latest program to make a career path and a developmental way for someone to be introduced to the trade of slate roofing and cladding and the other things that are going to be coming, and which in the future, and we see a great future for it, that it's all kind of coming together and everyone working together. Very exciting to have just had a presentation by one of the members of the NRCA that you guys have been working with, and it looks very promising.
It does. I mean, you know, everybody's aware of the labor burden, but I'm really happy to see the camaraderie that you've got the NRCA and then the National Slate Association.
Yep.
Slate being such a small portion of roofing, but it's really a skill. I mean, we're putting on 100-year roofs, and the pride that young people can have by coming into an industry, and they'll have the same type of pride and leadership and certifications as an electrician or heating and AC. So we're really adding a lot more professionalism.
As it should be, yes.
And especially to slate.
Well, you know, and you think about what you know, you do in your company and the other people that put aside. We're working on some of the hallmark, most beautiful, significant buildings in this country. I mean, you know, everything from after 9/11, we provided some of the slate for the Pentagon. And not a lot of people know that there was a green slate on the Pentagon. I mean, you know, to say nothing about the great universities, Harvard, Princeton, Richmond University, everywhere, you know, and the great buildings of this country, you know, the Smithsonian, down to Washington, D.C., all the great cathedrals and churches all throughout the country, which are bedrock of our community and our families. And this, you know, to carry that on, and I think to make it more noteworthy and more available is just so important. The efforts you guys are doing.
We're working on the next generation.
Okay, well, that's always a good thing.
For this to work well, and to have houses and churches and schools and everything that have been protected by slate forever and ever, and you know, this next group that are coming in these next few years, we hope that they'll grab onto the enthusiasm of the slate industry.
Yep, well, there certainly is the enthusiasm here. We just got done with a great lunch and some quarry tours, and getting to see friends again. All around good time. All around good time.
Well, we appreciate
Thank you, my friend. We appreciate you showing up, and we're going to spend more time together and get into more of these events. It's been a bit of a slog.
There you go.
Brian, thank you very much.
You.
Good.